In this video, we're walking through the timeless Craftsman style home built by Bella Home Construction. Bella Home Construction has been building homes in Northern Virginia and the DC area for over 15 years. Here you have insulated garage doors, complete with windows which are both practical and stylish. The home has energy-efficient double-hung exterior Harvey windows. The home's exterior is finished with fiber cement lap siding. This Therma True Smooth Star door offers a smooth, paintable surface and is a durable and attractive alternative to wood or steel doors. All right, let's take a look at this house. This house has 6,587 square feet of living space. We have 7 bedrooms, 7 full baths, and 2 half baths. It has tall 10-foot ceilings and wide plank engineered hardwood flooring. The builder also used eco-friendly low VOC paint. We're going to go right into the dining room area to really show off the house in detail. As you enter this room, you're drawn to the full wall paneling, which adds texture and interest to the room. Paneling isn't just usually visually attractive, it's also a great way to protect your walls. Let's take a walk over to the half bath. Again, as I mentioned earlier, this house has 7 full baths and 2 half baths. The builder installed designer fixtures, including lighting and plumbing from premium brands such as Delta and Kraus. You can see those 2 windows. It brings in lots of natural light, but it also has tons of privacy, so I love that feature. Most of my clients come to me with a very clear picture of what they want in a home. The perfect location, the ideal lot, you name it. But sometimes finding that exact match is tough. Building is always an option, but let's be honest, it takes time. That's where a move-in ready brand new construction home like this one is a great choice. For the more adventurous types, there's always the option of fixing up a place and building up some equity. But for those clients who are all about skipping the renovations and need to move fast into a brand new house in Vienna, I point them to homes like this one. This house is located in one of Vienna's most sought-after areas. You've got easy access to some really nice shops, places to eat, and green spaces, which I'll talk about more as we go through the home. The open concept layout is very popular among residents in this area. There's a gas fireplace here, which makes this space warm and inviting. Energy-efficient LED recessed lighting is installed throughout the house. Imagine entertaining friends and family here. Even while you're prepping in the kitchen, you're still a part of the conversation. My wife and I know how much we appreciate that when we're cooking, being able to chat with our guests while they relax in the living room. The feedback I get from people touring the home is that they love the huge island. As you can see, the island is not just a beautiful centerpiece, it's incredibly functional. The builder has thoughtfully included strategically placed outlets, so when you're working with the stand mixer, blending up smoothies, or just need a convenient spot to charge your devices, everything is within easy reach. This also helps keep countertops uncluttered as well. We have custom cabinetry and soft close drawers that make a world of difference, so smooth and quiet. And check out this great picture window over the kitchen sink. It allows natural light to enter the space, which is always a plus. You'll also notice how much space there is between this house and the neighbor's house. That's something I really appreciate. Even though this is a larger home, it's designed with privacy in mind. One detail that a lot of people like about this kitchen is the simple yet elegant backsplash. Its clean lines and smooth surface aren't just visually appealing, they also make it easy to clean and maintain. The fact that it complements the island ties the whole kitchen design together beautifully. The kitchen features premium appliances throughout, including a 48-inch JennAir gas range with a powerful hood. JennAir stovetops typically offer high-performance burners. If you're serious about cooking, these things are a dream. You get 2 ovens. If you're someone who loves to cook and wants a high-end appliance that's both beautiful and functional, this JennAir double oven adds to the enjoyment of this home. Another feature of this kitchen is its quartz countertops. Quartz countertops are a fantastic choice for kitchens. First off, they're really durable. You don't have to worry too much about scratching them or staining them, which is great for a busy kitchen. Plus, you don't have to seal them like you do with some natural stone, so that's one less thing to worry about. Oh, and in case you're wondering, yes, that is a 48-inch JennAir French door refrigerator. All right, let's take a look at that main level bedroom. Most people who tour this home love having a room on the main level. This room can be adapted to so many different things like a family room, a playroom, a home office, or a guest room. And it's great for those who prefer to avoid stairs or are considering aging in place. Let's talk about the downstairs secondary bathroom. One feature I found very important for a lot of our clients these days is a walk-in shower. With more people looking to accommodate aging parents or other family members, a secondary bedroom on the main level is often a priority. And these bathrooms are designed with that in mind. They have durable porcelain tile flooring and full height tile enclosures in the bath and shower areas, so there's no concern about moisture or maintenance. A couple of things I point out to my clients when they're looking at new construction homes are energy efficiency and cost savings. New homes are generally built to meet current energy codes, which often translate into better insulation, more efficient HVAC systems, and energy-saving windows. And they generally require less maintenance and repairs compared to older homes, at least in the first few years. All that to say, I always check the specific features and warranties offered by the builder. Don't assume all new homes are created equal. Different builders may use different materials or have different standards, so it's crucial to understand what you're getting. I often help my clients navigate those details, compare builders, and make sure they're getting the best value for their money. By the way, the builder for this house offers a 1-year service warranty program. According to the builder, they will do a full walkthrough with you before you close, so you can be sure you're getting everything as you expect. The bones of this house are strong, with professionally engineered floors and roof trusses. They also make sure it's energy efficient with high quality sheathing, and they use CPVC piping for the plumbing. While builder promises are important, thorough due diligence is essential. To further protect your investment, I strongly advise my clients to have a thorough inspection conducted by a qualified home inspector. All right, so we're on the first upper level. Yeah, I said first. This level has 4 bedrooms, including the primary bedroom and a laundry room. Locating the laundry room upstairs near the bedrooms offers several advantages in terms of convenience and efficiency. Given that the majority of laundry originates in bedrooms and bathrooms, an upstairs laundry room makes total sense. However, there may be other factors that you would want to consider, for instance, the noise and the vibrations caused by the washing machine and dryer. So pay attention to those details as well. But these can be mitigated by choosing high efficiency and low noise appliances. Also, check with the builder to make sure that the walls and floors are well insulated to help absorb sound. Most of my clients like having at least 4 bedrooms on the same level. Homes with 4 or more bedrooms on the same level tend to be more desirable, which can be a significant advantage when it comes time to sell. It appeals to a wider range of buyers, including families and those looking for single-level living. Now, Vienna is very interesting. You see, a lot of the older, smaller houses have been torn down and replaced with much bigger, more modern ones. It's pretty amazing. Just to give you an idea, around 35% of the homes in this zip code 22180 have 5 or more bedrooms, and that's just from 2023. So you can see how this area is really changing. A lot of folks touring this home are immediately drawn to its incredibly convenient location. You're just about a mile from grocery stores like Whole Foods and Giant, making grocery runs quick and easy. Both Inova Primary Care and VHC Health physicians are less than a mile away. Wolf Trap is also less than a mile away, and you are so close to Main Street with all the restaurants to choose from. Local schools include Wolf Trap Elementary, Kilmer Middle School, and Madison High School. If you're into nature, Wolf Trap Stream Valley Park is less than a mile away, and Meadowlark Botanical Gardens is about 2.5 miles away. You gotta check it out. The Vienna Metro Station and the Greensboro Metro Station are less than 3 miles away, and you're only about 15 miles from Dulles International Airport. Not only that, Vienna is just 15 miles from Washington, D.C. So, now that you see why this location is so desirable, let's take a look at the rest of this house. Folks are blown away by these 2 walk-in closets. Oh, and one thing I wanted to point out before the primary bathroom is that it has heated floors. Especially with the recent cold snap, I know you'll appreciate heated floors. What are some things you need to consider when purchasing a newly constructed home on a previously owned lot? Number 1, the builder's track record and expertise. Inquire about their history in the region. What is the quality of their workmanship? Ask to speak with previous clients and read online reviews. The builder's experience with demolition and reconstruction projects is also advantageous. Number 2, construction quality. Was the old foundation used? If so, how was it inspected and ensured to be sound? New foundations are generally preferable, but not always feasible. What materials were used in the new construction? How energy efficient is the house? Number 3 is builder's guarantee. What type of warranty is provided? Other important factors to consider is ensure all necessary permits and approvals were obtained for the demolition and the rebuild. And also questions like, how were the utility connections handled and where did they put it in the ground? Are they new or were existing ones reused? All right, let's go to the second upper level. This second upper level is also known as a loft. This is very versatile space that includes an additional bedroom and a full bath. So just to sum up the number of rooms we have in this house, remember there's 7 bedrooms, 7 full baths, and 2 half baths. This entire level is its own living space and privacy from the rest of the house. The sitting area is approximately 19 by 22 and the bedroom is 10 by 27. Beyond simply adding square footage, the loft increases privacy due to its more secluded location. Architecturally, it introduces unique features like a sloped ceiling that adds character and visual interest to the room. While factors such as stair access, potential temperature fluctuations, and sound transfer should be considered, a well-designed loft can significantly increase both the functionality and value of a property. Let's head on down to the lower level, or the basement. The lower level offers expanded living space with a large recreation room, a bonus room with a half bath, and a private bedroom with a full ensuite bathroom. This versatile area can be customized to suit your needs, whether you're dreaming of a home theater, fitness center, game room, or something completely different. I may not have mentioned this earlier, but this house is located on a corner lot, and there's a trail behind the house that takes you through to Northside Park, a 26-acre park, and to the WNOD Trail. If you walk just a short distance down the trail, you'll reach Caboose Brewing Company Tavern, a local favorite hangout. Perhaps this new construction isn't quite what you're looking for. That's perfectly fine. Whether you're interested in a resale property or a new build, I can help you find the right fit. While I may not specialize in every single location, property type, or niche market, I have a strong network of trusted real estate colleagues that I can call upon to ensure you receive expert guidance. For instance, I recently assisted clients searching for a resale home in a competitive Potomac, Maryland neighborhood. After understanding their specific needs, I connected them with a local and experienced expert. Her knowledge of the area and ability to craft a winning offer was invaluable, ultimately helping them secure the home in a multiple offer situation. When you work with me, you gain access to more than just my expertise. I'm dedicated to providing the best possible service, and that means collaborating with other specialists when it benefits you. I'm committed to helping you navigate today's market and find the perfect home. If you're looking for a new home in Vienna, Fairfax, Alexandria, or anywhere in Fairfax County, I have listed available properties on my website. The link is at the top of this video's description. Click there to see all the homes currently for sale. At the bottom of the description, you'll also find my phone number. Feel free to text or call me. Want a video tour of a particular new home build? Just reach out and I'll send you a private link. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.